Okay, now Toot Toot, you realize that it's winter, and I'm driving, and the roads are icy, and you can't stay on my lap. You have to understand, you have to go to the passenger seat now.
So this is Toot Toot. She is an English setter. She was born deaf, pretty blind. She's pretty special needs. But she'll do this all day. She'll just come interrupt me when I'm working. She just needs this.
Toot Toot, it is 2 p.m. We do not have time for this today. But you don't care about that, do you?
Toot Toot, I can't drive the car when you climb over the seat and get on my lap and give me a hug. I just can't do it. It's not safe, responsible driving for me, Toot Toot. But you don't seem to care about safe, responsible driving.